Hello and welcome to my video about KIE API. This is an API bridge for various AI tools. You can use it to generate images, videos, standard chat completions, music and more. The most interesting feature is that it's much cheaper than using the original services directly. For example, you can create an image for just 6 cents or a video for 12 cents. If we search for a specific video model like Veo, you can see the fast generation options are as low as 30 or even 15 cents. With this tool, you can essentially get a video for the price of an image. The skill, which you can find linked below the video, can be installed into Claude or any other AI. To get started, you'll need an API key from the KIE website. I'll create a new key for this video, copy it, and now I'll switch over to Claude. While you can use other platforms, I'll be demonstrating this in Claude since it's very popular and I've used it for my other tutorials. I have my project open for the product I want to promote, and now I'll enter my prompt. I'm asking it to find good promotional angles for my product, use a deep article skill to find analogies, and generate 20 real ideas in different styles. After I approve them, it will use the KIE skill to create the videos. This will take a moment. As you can see, it's now reading the skill and beginning its research to find relevant stories and concepts. Next, it's checking the media skill to understand its capabilities. Alright, here are the results. These first ideas came from the deep article skill, and these are the concepts for the video reels. This is the kind of output you get by combining these skills. The results look pretty good, so let's ask it to generate the first 5 videos. First, I'll quickly check my credits. You can see that $50 gets you 10,000 credits, and I have just over that amount right now. Now, let's see if it can generate them in parallel. This will take some time. Okay, the files are ready. Let's take a look. I am not completely happy with this output. The videos were generated, but they aren't quite what I wanted. This is likely an issue with my prompt, not the skill itself. So I'll try a new prompt. I'll ask it to pick the best 5 topics, write a 15-second script for each, create the initial video with Veo, and then use the extend option. Looking at the pricing page, we can see the extend options are available. This will probably take about 5 minutes, so I'll pause while it works. As you can see, Claude understood the instruction to extend the videos. It has chosen 5 topics and is now creating the reels. It seems to be struggling a bit, so I'll need to update the skill to fix this problem. In the meantime, let's check the logs on the KIE website. Here you can see a history of all your API calls. Under the Veo tab, it looks like most of the initial generation calls were successful. And under the Extend tab, one of the videos is ready. Let's preview it. My first digital product, 74 pages, perfect structure, gorgeous formatting. That's not bad. I suspect the problem is the parallel API calls, which is likely why some of them are failing. I will update the skill to handle this better and upload the new version. For now, as long as you only ask to generate and extend one video at a time, it should work well. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you'd like, check out my community, and I'll see you in the next video.